Today we're gonna vlog. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna teach you how to paint. First we need this.
What's that?
Frying pan.
What's that? That's not a frying pan. That's a plate.
Sorry. So this is the plate.
That's the paint.
Here's the water.
Okay.
And next, this is the crayons.
The pencils.
Yeah, the pencils, crayons. And I have a light right here. Then I'm painting, and look, my stuff.
Is that all your stuff?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's yours?
No, it's just I just bought it, and I just
You borrowed it.
sorry. This rabbit is busy, 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 busy. Miss Rabbit is busy. The water's so dirty now. Look, everybody. It's brown like this. Oops, I dropped it.
What are you doing?
I'll make a house. It's made of yellow color. And let's clean the red. I cleaned the red. Now I need the red. Up and down, up and down. The wheels on the bus go up and down all day long. It's a mountain.
It's a mountain. I thought you're doing your house.
Just kidding, I'm just doing it. Guys.
Super nice.
I don't color this for because this is not working.
What? Which one?
This.
The white one?
Yeah. So I don't color this. I did it. It's done. It's done. It's done. Yes. You. And this is me, guys. And this is Mommy's was a kid. And this is
Ate.
Ate. So we done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you later, guys. Bye.
Go.
So we done. Subscribe and we done.